Hello YouTube. I just decided to start a contest here really quick. It's gonna be a drawing, and there's gonna be one winner, and the winner will get to choose from either one of the following prizes. You can have rookie cards of both Terrence Kinsey and Michael Galabale out of 607 Bowman Sterling, or the winner can have a Mike Sweetney signed IP card. And there are two things you have to do to be entered in the drawing. One is you have to be subscribed to me. Two is you have to join the website on the side and say that Duhan21 referred you to the site. And then once you've done both, leave me a comment saying I've done both and won in. And then you'll automatically be entered into the drawing. And then I'm going to probably end this contest April 21st, which will be next Monday. And then I'll have the drawing then for the winner. And I'll make a video with that, with the contest winners. And yeah, that's about it. So if you want to be entered, just subscribe to me and then join this site on the side and say that Duhan21 referred you on the site. And yeah, Duhan21 is me. And then leave me a comment saying you've done both and won into the contest. Thanks for watching.